So for this video of the customer service module, we're going to get into FAQ templates. So in your Amazon business, whether it be emails, questions, or FAQs that occur on your listing, or common messages you get on the Amazon platform, there tends to be themes around what customers reach out to. So say you're selling apparel, people might ask you what the size fit chart is. If you've got a product that may need to be compatible with something else, they may be emailing you questions, is it compatible with XYZ? Whatever the case is, you'll typically get recurring responses over time where you can use more of a canned response to address them. And so by compiling a library of these responses, it makes it much more efficient and quicker to respond to emails, to respond to customer messages, and to answer FAQs that occur on your actual Amazon listing. So how we personally do this is actually using Guru cards. So if we come into Guru and just type in customer service and hit enter, it's going to give us every single card related to customer service. And for specific FAQ templates that are at the brand level, we also include the brand name in the title of the card. So we could do customer service plus brand name A as an example, and it would pull up all of those. So here's an example of one for one of our brands, and it basically just talks about what the issues are. It's got a video summary of how to answer the question, and then it's got an actual procedure on how to address this particular issue and send a replacement to the customer. So we've got a card specifically on that issue. But the idea here is that we keep this library. If we do things more than twice, honestly, we create an answer to it with a step-by-step procedure so we can better inform and efficiently solve a customer's problem. The other cool thing about Guru cards, if I go over to email, this isn't one of our brand accounts, but I just got an email from Slack. Let's say that this was a customer inquiry and they had a question and I wanted to reply to them. There's a cool Guru Chrome extension. So if I go ahead and hit the Chrome extension on the right, it also pulls up all of the cards here on the right-hand side. And in the same kind of deal, without logging in, I could come in here and just hit customer service, hit that and go boom. Or I could have customer service templates, which is how we keep our response templates. And then any of our answers could be in here on the right-hand side. The other cool thing is with this extension is there's also an AI suggest for Gmail. So if Guru thinks that you're actually typing in the same thing over and over and over, it will actually come up with some suggestions so that you can add cards on that. And then again, it's got a G Suite add-on that you can include here in your Google Suite. So I definitely recommend, if you're using Guru for your SOPs, to download these extensions, which can actually be integrated into your customer service email. The other thing that you may want to do is actually refine your FAQs on your Shopify page or your e-commerce site as well. Oftentimes customers don't want to reach out to you. That's the last thing they want to do. They just want to find the answer on their own. So if you start to see consistent themes, put those FAQs on your website, and that can actually prevent the number of emails that you end up getting. You can also refine and improve your FAQs over time, maybe even shooting videos or other things that you would actually email them so they have access to it on their own from your page if they need to.